Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today is another unboxing of what the postman has brought me, so let's dive in. I have a package here and another one, and both are from Norway. This one was my friend Martin who's delivered it into my mailbox, so that's just excellent. It's universal shafts, 46 mils. I'm hoping these ones will fit to my green TA01 chassis. I hope so. It's for the TA05 chassis, so at least it's related somehow. So we'll check that out. This one is a heavy package, so what we got here? Mazda RX-7 body. Well, it's totally broken. It's all it's all gone. It's finished. So I guess I'll just take the mirrors and the spoiler off it, and this one could go into the bin. Another box. What's this? Maybe a bump. It's an empty box. Thanks for that. I really needed that one. Ooh, this one is going straight outside. Is it supposed to be like this? I'm old school and lipos still scares me. So I'm not keeping this inside the house, that's for sure. We got a remote. Oh, I guess I'm a little bit optimistic with that working when not all the batteries are there. Oh, so I guess this was in the box, the empty box. So brushless motor and electronic speed controller from Aerowind, 50 amps, and the motor is 3650, 7.5 ton. The guy who sold me this actually said he was not sure if this works, so I guess that's just a way to say that it's not working, so we'll see. And the car, yeah, it's another TT01 chassis. This one got an upgrade with a carbon fiber plate up here, and it has aluminum upper arms. I guess it's just a sport, it's a sport tuned motor in it. So it's got blue alloy drive shaft. So yeah, I guess we'll just have to try it and see if it works. We got some rally tires, we got some slicks, we have some drifting tires. Yeah. We got some package, some more slicks. Top Racing Series from Adinks. Never heard of those before. We got another lipo. That is not expanded like this. And another one. And another one. So I guess I should charge these up to storage. Well, this ain't got a plug. Storage mode, so yeah. Well, okay, there you have it. That's it for now. If I get something more before I post this, I will add it to this video as well. I got something more. Bought myself a Grasshopper. Again, my friend Martin who's selling it, and I need one for the race series we're going to have start up on the spring. All Bugs Racing, which is basically just grasshoppers and hornets with almost no modifications. So we're gonna run with this one. Looks to be in very good condition, so I'm happy with it. Got it at a good price, so yeah. So there you have it. Got some more packages from Uzbekistan, it says, but I think it's from China, and one from, I guess you know what this is, from Germany. So let's start with this one first. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see this one because of the bad light, but it's hex disc brakes for the car. We got some batteries, so what you see here, it's disc brakes with lights in it. Yeah, I know. I'm not sure if it's gonna work or not, but I thought it would be fun to just try it out and see. So I'm looking forward to testing that one. So next one. Okay, so we got some air racing 55mm dampers. This is going on my HBI chassis. Hopefully they will fit. We got some Subaru BRZ light buckets. I got one more body of it, so I thought I'll mount some light buckets to it. So yeah, some masking tape, more masking tape, and someone suggested I should try this. I guess it's masking tape, but it's more elastic than the orange one, so it should be easier to make the lines. I'm really looking forward to testing this one and see if it could help me making the lines cleaner. We got some ball bearings for the TA01, and we have some TT01. It should also fit TA01, it said. So I really hope they fit. It's the universal shafts, so they will go into my green chassis if they fit. And we have a linkage for the steering. It was also supposed to be on my green chassis, but looking at it now, it really looks too short, so I'm don't think this will work. And this one is a kit, a rain cover kit for my TT02. So we got a shell, some sort of shell you just mount on top of the TT02. I hope that will work, and actually I hope it could work not just for the rain but also for sand and dust. So not sure how this will fit if you have a cockpit or within the body. I guess I can't use it then, but okay. So once again, if you want to see all this stuff mounted on my cars or what I'm gonna use it for, please subscribe. Then you will see the next video when I post it, and yeah, hit the notification bell to get a notification of when I post it. And until then, you could check out my playlist on the end screen here for other films of what the postman has brought me. Until next time, see ya.